Does destiny guide us, or do our decisions shape our fate? A question as old as time itself. Today we journey through a tale that intertwines both these aspects, the story of a young boy's quest to uncover his destiny. In the quiet corners of a small village, nestled between towering mountains and whispering rivers, our story begins. A young boy, filled with curiosity and wonder, embarks on an adventure to discover his destiny. His path? A distant river known to hold the answers to life's questions. The journey, fraught with trials and tribulations, is not an easy one. The boy encounters immense challenges, each one testing his courage and resolve. He learns that the road to destiny isn't always straightforward. It twists and turns, filled with unexpected surprises and concealed truths. But the boy, with his unwavering determination, perseveres. As the journey progresses, the boy stumbles upon an unexpected revelation, a secret that draws him closer to his destiny. It's a moment of profound realization, a moment that changes his life forever. This fascinating journey, filled with intriguing events and self-discovery, beautifully encapsulates the boy's quest. It's a narrative that intertwines the themes of hard work, love, and destiny. In our tale of Paths of Destiny: A Natural Quest, we explored the intricate dance between destiny and choice. We followed a young boy's journey filled with love, trials, and natural wonders, leading him to an unexpected revelation about his destiny. This narrative serves as a reminder that our paths may be shaped by destiny, but it's our choices that define us.